Hello everybody, Ghostblade 1062 here with another locomotive review. Today we will be reviewing the BR2003 Rogue Lady Triphenia Lovelace's Diesel Dames engine from the Hornby BR2003 steampunk line. Alright everybody, taking a look at the box, we have a picture of the locomotive on the front, along with it showing that it is a part of the BR2003 steampunk models line, as well as the website where you can get it. The sides and top of the box show much of the same information. On the back of the box, we can see the rest of the line. And we have some more information on the bottom of the box, including that it is a Hornby manufactured locomotive, the website for Hornby, as well as the item identification numbers and barcode. Opening up the box, we see that we have a cardboard insert that's sat in front of the locomotive. And on the back of it, we have some information about the locomotive itself. Then, we also have the instruction manual in the box. This is giving us some information on general use, as well as routine maintenance for the locomotive. Folding it open, we have a diagram of how to disassemble the locomotive for maintenance purposes. And on the back, we have some safety notices for the locomotive. The locomotive itself is surrounded by a plastic sleeve, which covers the clamshell covering that it is sitting in. The locomotive itself has a nice metallic look to it, as well as some nice detail work along the lines in regards to piping, as well as giving it a worn look. The body itself is made out of resin, while the actual frame is die-cast metal. We have a little bit of rivet detail on the main body. Looking inside of the turbines, we can see the turbine blades, as well as we can see a slight impression of a grill guard. We have the exhausts on the cab. And now, let's take it over to the track for a quick test run. Alright, now that we have the locomotive on the track, let's give it a little bit of power. I am running it on a DCC powered track, hence why we are getting the buzzing noise from the motor, as this is a DC locomotive. It has a bit of a jerky crawl, but that can be solved with some running in time. Other than the crawl speed, the locomotive itself is running quite smoothly. And it seems to have stalled on the switch. There we go. Aside from that little hiccup, it is running nice and smooth. Now let's bring it back in reverse over the switch to see how it handled. Well, is it this? And again, it did catch on the switch, though that may be in part due to its short wheelbase.